Hi, today we're actually talking about the gym's cleaning hard floor cleaner. What's so special about this? It's really the first natural, safe product, environmentally friendly, but works commercially. Proven across many facilities, airports, hotels, shopping centres, and also the domestic market in homes. There's a number of features and benefits to this product of why it works so well, and we'll go briefly into those. One being it's plant-derived and it's a natural enzyme. Enzymes are designed to actually break down organic matter, break down the dirt, rather than actually strip and burn like traditional chemicals that are acidic or alkali. This is actually safe, natural, and does the cleaning for the cleaner. One feature of this technology is the fact that it breaks down all dirt, not just one type of dirt. So it's safe for the cleaner that on the floor, if it's oil or if it's blood or if it's urine or whatever the dirt might be on the floor, the natural enzymes actually break down all the dirt. One of the second feature of the product is the fact that it's pH neutral, which means it's safe. It's safe for the cleaner who's using it. It's not going to affect their hands. It's safe on the surface that they're actually cleaning. It's not going to damage the surface. And it's also safe for the patrons. So when you've got kids or babies crawling on the floor, or dogs or pets walking on the floor after the floor cleaner's been applied, it's safe and it's not going to harm them. That feature alone is one of the best things for gyms cleaning, because since they've been using this range, probably the last 7 years, they haven't had any claims against their company of damaging flooring, damaging parquetry, wooden floors, whatever they might be doing. They know it's safe and it's harmless. The third part of the technology, which is probably the most important and differentiates this product to anything else on the market, is the fact that there's no soap in our product. Okay? With that, which means there's no residue left behind after the mopping is. Often you get soap build-up in the grout lines or on porous, especially on new unsealed tiles. With this product, you don't have residue left behind, you don't get streaking, you don't get slippery floors. The enzymes are actually doing the cleaning for the cleaner. And that feature is also incorporated with the fact that it's a continual cleaning action. So the cleaner can be confident that even after he's applied it, he's mopped it, either through a mopping action or through a floor scrubber, the enzymes keep cleaning even up to 48 hours. So the natural enzymes sit there on the floor and keep cleaning, even after the cleaner's gone home.